Dear woodworker, have you ever wanted to build something because you cannot find it retail? Thought of making something custom for a specific need? Struggled to find detailed plans to build your dream project? Well, luckily for you, these problems become a blessing in disguise because I have spent the last 25+ years to put together the world's most comprehensive collection of woodworking plans. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects, with already done-for-you plans that include step-by-step blueprints? So you can build stunning, professional woodworking projects easily, quickly and hassle-free? I call it TedsWoodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. TedsWoodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Click the link below to learn more.